Hello everybody and welcome to Explorer Hop. Today we are being asked to find the values of A, B, and C in this diagram, and A, B, and C are all angles. So we're going to use the rules that we know about diagrams like these to solve for the three unknown angles. So first let's solve for angle A. Angle A is a co-interior angle. And because of what is called the C rule, we know that angle A, well, first let's demonstrate the C rule. This shape kind of makes a backward C. Therefore, angle A must be 180 degrees minus 105 degrees, which is the angle we know, which is equal to 75 degrees. Therefore, angle A is equal to 75 degrees because of the C rule. Next, let's solve for angle B. Angle B is an alternate angle. And the rule we're going to use to solve for angle B is called the Z rule or the Z rule. So as you can see, this shape here makes a Z and it contains the angles B and the known angle 105 degrees. And because of the Z rule and what the Z rule tells us, angle B must be the same angle as the known angle 105 degrees. So angle B is 105 degrees because of the Z rule. Last, we need to solve for angle C. Angle C is a corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. And the rule we're going to use to solve for angle C is called the F rule. And as you can see, this shape makes a sort of backwards F. And because of the F rule and where angle C is, we know that angle C must be the same measurement as the angle we know, which is 105 degrees, and therefore the same measurement as angle B. So angle C is 105 degrees because of the F rule. And there we have it. We know our three unknown angles. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.